now there is a very strong commitment, common understanding. That is to save the nation, the constitution, democracy, and to maintain the federal principles of governance and maintain the respect for diversities in the country. The situation demands that BJP has to be defeated in the forthcoming election. It has to be removed from power. And this understanding is quite strong, and all parties have commitment. And I can say the primary objective, according to the political parties which met yesterday in Patna, is to defeat BJP and to save the country and its future. That is there. As far as the electoral strategy is concerned, that will be worked out at state level, taking into consideration the balance of political forces in those states, because situation is not the same in all the states. Situation varies from state to state. Taking everything into consideration, we will make all efforts to mobilize, to pool maximum anti-BJP votes.